Hey everyone, this is just a quick video. Just want to share my experience today that um, I'll try to edit a video using my DaVinci Resolve, and when opening it, this message just popped out: unsupported GPU processing mode, and DaVinci Resolve can't detect my GPU. And what I do is, by the way, I'm using a AMD Radeon RX 6700 XT graphics card. And what I do is, I tried any video in YouTube and tried any solution, but the ones works for me is that I completely uninstalled my GPU driver, erase talaga, and then I install it, reinstall it using the website, finding the driver that my GPU has, and ngayon gumagana na siya ulit. Sakit sa ulo talaga. Matagal-tagal na din kasi akong hindi nakapag-edit ng video, kaya ngayon pag open ko, nagulat ako, hindi naglabas ganitong error. So yun lang, sana makatulong sa inyo pag makatanggap kayo ng ganitong error. That's it for this video. Peace.